So this is how you can find your favorite photos on your iOS 18 phone. Now I get it. I've seen a lot of iOS 18 phone users who have complained because of the new photos layout. But you don't have to complain because there is an easy way to fix that problem. You can actually go ahead and swipe down and then type the name of your album and it'll immediately take you there. So for example, favorites, just simply search that up and here we are. As you can see, this is the favorites album and it takes us directly here once you tap on it. So you don't have to look for it if you can't actually find it. Because I know that the layout right now is confusing even though I don't have iOS 18, but you could actually do this hack even if you're on iOS 17 or below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You could write any album you want and it's going to come up and you can tap on it and it'll take you there. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.